Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to change your server location. Changing your server location is pretty simple or really useful. Many players get confused on how to do this, so all you have to do is head to your Server.Pro website and then open up your VPS. Then on the dashboard of the main page, head to the Change Location tab at the very bottom. Keep in mind that whatever location you select here is the location that will be set to all of the servers under your VPS. Please also note that your numerical IP will be updated. The hostname and data will be kept the same though, so rest assured all your world data will be left. Now, it's as simple as clicking the location and then clicking transfer when this pop-up appears. Whilst that transfer is happening, you'll see this little symbol here. Keep in mind, transferring a server can take several hours, depending on how big it is. Your server will be unavailable during the transfer, so change the location when you know no one will be on the server. After a while, you'll see the new location symbol here, as well as the green dot meaning that your server is now up and running. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!